Once again I am come back with a new video. In the previous video we had discussed about the crust, means the topmost layer of the earth. We had discussed about the topmost layer of the earth, means we already discussed about these things, means the top portion of the earth. We already discussed about this thing. Now we want to discuss about the second portion of the earth. This one is called the mantle portion. Okay, second portion of the earth is called the mantle. Now when we are discussing about the mantle, then we should know the location of the mantle. Okay, where is mantle? The crust is the topmost layer of the earth and the mantle is the second layer. The mantle is the second layer of the earth. Means after crust, inside of the earth or the interior portion of the earth, we are getting mantle. Okay, and also mantle is divided into two zones. First zone is called the upper mantle and second zone is called the lower mantle. And if we think that we are dividing the mantle into three zones, then in the thing that is three types of mantle, actually we are dividing the mantle in the three zones. First one is the upper mantle and middle one is the transition zone and third one is the lower mantle. Okay, I am dividing now mantle into three zones. Okay, if this one is the interior part of the earth and this one is mantle, then we are dividing the mantle into three zones. First one is called the upper mantle. And the middle one is called, we all know about two things, upper mantle and lower mantle. But actually most of the persons don't know about the middle portion. Middle portion means the name of the middle portion is the transition zone. This one is called the transition zone. In the previous video, we all know about the crust and the depth of the crust is about 35 kilometers. This one is 35 kilometers. Then from 35, the depth of the mantle is 2900 kilometers. How many? From 35, the mantle is 2900 kilometers, means it is very deeper inside the earth. And first point or the surprising point about the mantle, actually the most of the mass of the earth is contained with the mantle portion, means near about 65% of earth mass is the mantle's mass. Then and one thing that is here, actually here is a portion that is called the asthenosphere. Asthenosphere means the upper mantle is like solidified from, actually we are getting the solid kind of thing in the upper mantle, but in the middle portion here is the layer is called the asthenosphere. And we all know this thing, the magma always contains inside of the earth. And in which layer magma contains? Actually in this layer called asthenosphere. Okay, in the asthenosphere magmas are contained. Then how magmas are getting out from interior or the inside of the earth? When we are watching some cracks inside the earth, many cracks inside the earth. when we are watching many cracks inside the earth, through this crack magma coming out from the earth, then from the volcanoes it is coming out. When it is inside in the earth, this one is called magma. When it is inside of the earth and it is in asthenosphere, this one is called magma. And when it is outside of the earth, means when it is getting out from the volcanic eruption, this one is called the lava. L-A-V-A. We all know this thing. Actually, when lava is getting out from the volcanic eruption, when lava is coming out from the volcanic eruption, then after it is actually in contact with the cool air, when it is in contact with the cool air, then it forms the igneous rock, I-G-N-U-S-R-O-C-K. Means we hear lots of information about the mantle portion. First one, mantle is mainly divided into two parts. First one is called the upper mantle and second one is called the lower mantle. And we all know the advanced portion or the advanced zone, that is called the transition zone. Okay, and the layer of the transition zone actually from 35 to 410. This zone means this zone is from 35 to 410. 410 means 410. From 35 to 410 kilometers is the upper mantle, and the middle portion or the called the transition zone, this one is from 410 to 660 kilometer. And from these 660 kilometers or 660 kilometers to 2900 kilometers, this one is called the lower mantle. Okay, this one is clear that what is lower mantle, what is transition zone, and what is the upper mantle. This one is enough for mantle. But when we are going to the advanced portion, then the formation and the what is actually, we all know about many plates. Plates means we all know that the reason why Himalaya mountain formed, the one of the reasons is the movement of the plates. Then in this asthenosphere, from where the magma is getting out as the form of the lava from the volcanic eruption, then in this layer where magma contains, means in the asthenosphere, many plates are moving in this asthenosphere. When two plates are actually collided with each other. When two plates are collided with each other, then the soil or the ground simply bent and made the mountain. Okay, these are the things why we call mantle the most important part of the earth's interior. Okay, and next day we are discussing about the core, means the last or the deepest layer of the earth. Okay, for today this is enough, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel, and for the next video please hit the like button.